Hey, songwriters and composers. It's been a summer, but I'm back in the pickup line. So that means I have time, and I want to talk about what I've been learning regarding the new developments in artificial intelligence as it pertains to the craft of songwriting and music composition, because I'm going to be teaching my commercial composition class this fall at the university, and I need to be, up to speed and relevant for my students' sake, because they're taking these classes to hopefully one day do this professionally. So I want to just give a general observation about where things stand right now. And it's really important, August 8th, 2023, it's really important to timestamp this, because from everything I'm seeing, the development of AI is happening at such a fast pace that even 1 month from now, 3 months from now, 6 months from now, a year from now, it's going to be improving at exponential rates. First, when I was researching AI music tools, about 80% of the search results seemed to be things that would enable someone with zero music skills to be able to give a text prompt or something to generate music, and they wouldn't even need a composer. Now, one of the downsides of that is, first of all, right now, the lengths of music that it generates are not very long, and also they're not editable very much. I mean, you can just put in another prompt and try it again, but it's not like you can get in there and edit the minutia of the piece. So that's to our advantage as professionals, that we can still control the outcome of what we create, and we can do it much longer time. The tools that are good to help composers and producers, they seem like they could be quite useful, like the one where you create a voice, an AI voice, like of your own voice. Like, I would use that tool in a song where if I sang my lead vocal and I wanted a double or a triple that was really tight with it, I could use my AI generated voice and not have to sing a bunch of passes, stuff like that. I don't think there's any problem with that. Now, the videos that I've seen where someone says, I just created a song fully from AI, I will say, number one, what they talk about, the step-by-step process, is quite involved and not fun sounding. And secondly, the results are not super amazing. So I think people like Phoebe Bridgers, who write like really heartfelt songs, I think they're going to be safe for a while.